this is Erin with Olympic Rentals, and we're at 1410 Parrot Street, unit number A. Take you around the neighborhood. And on into the unit. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home, just under 1,000 square feet. The living room, a wood-burning fireplace, we'll have the dining area, and the kitchen features stainless steel appliances. Back here we'll have a laundry room. Washer and dryer are included as is. Out through here's the garage. 1-car garage with extra storage space. Back this way will be the bedrooms. We have the front bedroom, bathroom, and the second bedroom. Back on outside. Again, this is 1410 Parrot, unit number A, with Olympic Rentals. Thank you.